Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent machinery such as explosion-proof centrifugal fans are designed with robust materials and motors from leading brands to ensure safe operation in hazardous material storage areas. Performance curves illustrating pressure and airflow characteristics are meticulously analyzed to meet strict safety standards. Dynamic balancing minimizes vibration-related failures. Decent machinery sets provides tailored solutions and exceptional after-sales support, ensuring the highest safety standards are met.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.